I was walking this morning and you hear that sound. That's what I've been wondering about, what that sound was. Where's the guy? Where is the little guy? Okay. So I hear that sound in the bushes and the trees sometimes. And I was wondering what it was. And I guess it is those walnuts. He's just chewing away. He's so cute. It's so funny. That sound is so cute. I love it. I love squirrels. I love animals. It's such a beautiful day. It was a little overcast, but not that big a deal. It's nicer. It's not too hot yet. And my coffee pot has a crack in it. So I gotta go get a new coffee maker. And I was gonna get the one that I wanted. It's a combo coffee maker. It has like a little mini espresso bar and a regular coffee pot, so I can make both, which will be good because I like making lattes. It's fun. So I know I haven't been on here in a while. There's nothing really going on. I just wasn't, I guess maybe I was just a little lazy, or I didn't have much to say because I've been just doing my thing. I worked on some other projects. I made my balcony really nice, and I did some stuff in my bedroom to make it more, I don't know, like magical. Anyway, I get to work 3 days this week, which is good. I'm very excited about that. I have plenty of time to walk before I have to go to work today, so that's what I'm doing. And then, I don't know, I got some really cool shots of butterflies and some cool flowers. Pictures I can't show you now because they're on my phone. But I've been still working on my thought patterns, and I'm catching it a lot more often when I do some old behavior that I was used to. And then when I catch myself like kind of, I don't know, it's like melancholy, but it's not, because I'm not sad. It's more, I think I've said it before. I was so used to so much drama, and it's not there now. So it kind of feels like something's missing, but I know nothing's missing. But then when I think about it, it makes sense. But I love what's happening right now. It's pretty amazing. I mean, there was a fire yesterday, pretty close, in Malibu Creek Park. I guess it's near the rock pool. And so it took me a while to get home because I couldn't use Las Virgenes. But it was okay. I mean, oh, look. Look how pretty. How pretty these little guys are. It was okay because I got to see some more scenery. I went up this canyon that I've never been up before. It's kind of scary because you can see like the huge mountains, and it's almost like a cliff next to the, well, it is a cliff next to the road. So I was driving kind of slow, but when I got a chance, if someone was behind me, I could pull over There's not a lot of places to pull over to let people by, but I'm not gonna speed up and drive above my ability just because someone behind me is impatient. So anyway, it is kind of warm, but at least the sun's not like bearing down on me. Let's see, what else? I know it's been such a long time. Oh, wow. Check it out. Oh, look at this. The rabbit went down, but if I could zoom in, I don't know if there's a bug on me. I don't know if you can see it. There's a hawk sitting in that tree. I think you can see it. I can see it through the camera. So beautiful. I think that's a hawk. Yeah, it's a hawk. It's beautiful. It's big. It's a big hawk. I wonder what he's just looking for food, maybe. So cool. Maybe you can see it better from this angle. Let's see. Where? No. There. Yeah, I can see it. I mean, my camera doesn't zoom in that much. Oh, oops. I bet you're looking at my teeth again. Oh, so bad. I know, I forget that I zoomed in, but it's all right. Look. So beautiful. Ah, I love the earth. So beautiful. We need to take care of it, people. Come on, like, take personal responsibility. Pick up after yourself. If everybody picked up after themselves, then we wouldn't have a litter problem. Oh, these flowers are so cool. Hold on. I'll zoom in and I'll remember to zoom back out. Look at the shape of these guys. They're so cool. Those are really cool flowers. There's so many beautiful things to look at if you just slow down just a little bit. Like, I never used to see this stuff. I think I've told you before. I never used to really pay attention. I was always in my head. But we don't have to do that. We don't have to be in our head. We can step out of it, rise above it, and enjoy what's right in front of you. No matter how small or how insignificant you think something is, it's not. Everything matters, and everything's perfect. Even the imperfections are perfect. Look how cute. And this is like, see, look, it's kind of dead. Like, if you were just walking by, like, you just see the brown and the dead stuff, but there's life inside of it all. And even when some of these things die, like the color changes, and it's a sight. It's a sight. And I can't get enough of it. Every time I go outside, it's like I see something else, something new, a different shape, a different color, different flower, or a different bug. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, I think that's enough for now. I'm gonna get back on here to continue expressing myself, because I'm like, I don't know, I feel a little motivated, a little inspired. So I'll be back on here, and I bought some more canvases, so I'm gonna paint some more too, and I'll show you those. But for now, I'm gonna go because it's super hot, and I will talk to you later, okay? Bye.